Hello my dear students. In last two sessions of life processes, we have studied about the nutrition in plants, as well as we have continued with the second session about the nutrition in human beings. Dear students, till small intestine it is crystal clear for you all. Now let's study about large intestine. So here, soon after the small intestine, the other end connects for the large intestine. Large intestine. Dear students, do you know the structure of the large intestine? The large intestine in human being is about 5 feet long. It is approximately 5 feet means approximately my height. This is 5 feet long in our body. 5 feet long, and it has two regions. One is colon. I'll send you the picture. One is colon. Colon is about, it has two sections. That is colon. Its height is about 1.5 meter. Okay, it has two regions. One is colon, about 5 meter, 1.5 meter, and the rectum is 10 centimeter in length. The second part is rectum. It is 10 centimeter in length. Okay, now the region of a large intestine after the ileum, the last part of the small intestine, is called as a colon, while the last part is called as the rectum. Okay, the colon has three regions as ascending colon, transverse colon and descending colon. Okay, now at the base of the ascending colon, a small finger-like outgrowth has been grown. That finger-like projection is called as appendix. You have commonly, every day you will hear, I got appendix and operated. Okay, this appendix is nothing but the outer structure which has grown in the ascending colon. Okay, this appendix, if it growth of the appendix continued, that time it will start pricking the inner wall of the abdominal region. That time it has to be operated. Till here understood. Now the next, it has many useful bacteria required for the digestion of the food. The large intestine, it has many bacteria. It will be helpful for our digestion. Here we have studied about appendix. Okay, and large intestine also has the many bacteria in it. It helps for the digestion of the food. Now rectum, it is the last part of the large intestine. Rectum, it opens outside by the anus, where your motion goes through out. That is the passage where your motion passes out. Okay, motion means feces, undigested solid part of the food. Okay, now the anus has the internal and external anal sphincters. The anus has internal and outer external anal sphincters. Okay, till here you understood. Now let us see the intestinal pictures. Dear students, you have seen the picture of small intestine as well as the large intestine. You got to know how the 3D picture is there. Now let's study the magical functions. That is, the another part is digestive glands. These digestive glands have the vital functions which they play in digestive system. Now several glands produce digestive juices that helps in the digestion of food. The first one is salivary gland. Already we have studied about salivary glands. The next one is gastric glands. The third one is liver. The fourth one is gallbladder. Gallbladder. Gallbladder and the pancreatic are few names of those glands. Pancreatic or pancreas. This is in the pancreatic. It is a juice. Here pancreas it will come. Okay, it will come as a pancreas. Are few names of glands, digestive glands which are in your abdominal region. Salivary glands secrete saliva which initiates in our mouth itself. Okay, we have studied about the food digestive system where it initiates from the mouth. Okay, beneath the tongue we have salivary glands. So salivary glands secrete saliva which begins the digestive system in the mouth itself. Now coming back to the gastric glands, it present in the wall of the stomach. It secretes hydrochloric acid. Gastric gland, it secretes hydrochloric acid and pepsin enzyme. Here pepsin enzyme. Okay, now the liver secretes bile juice. Here the liver secretes bile juice which is stored in the gallbladder. Bile helps in the digestion of fats. This liver and gallbladder plays a very vital important in digestion. The pancreas secretes many digestive enzymes and its secretion is called as pancreatic juice. Here it is called as pancreatic juice. Okay, now let's see the all salivary glands pictures, gastric gland pictures, liver, gallbladder, followed with pancreas pictures. I will send you now. Now dear students, let's study the very important organ that includes in the digestive gland. That is nothing but the liver. Okay, the liver is the largest and major digestive glands of humans. Liver in human is located in the upper right hand portion of the abdomen. This organ is dark reddish brown in color due to an extensive blood supply. So you know where is the situation, how it looks, the external structure of the liver. Now let's study the functions of liver. Liver, it secretes the bile juice as I said you earlier. The bile helps in digestion. The bile, it has a very important role. Okay, it helps in digestion, and also liver filters the blood. It also filters blood. Liver also filters the blood coming from the digestive tract before passing into the rest of the body. See, What all important functions our liver does. Now, it detoxifies various metabolites and drugs. It will kill all the bacteria which are poisonous to our body. The liver makes proteins important for blood clotting and other functions. It detoxifies as well as it makes a blood clotting protein. Blood clotting protein. Blood clotting protein it makes, and also it stores and releases glucose as much as needed for our body. And liver, it processes hemoglobin from the dead and worn out RBCs. RBCs are nothing but the red blood cells or corpuscles. For the iron content, the liver stores the iron, which is very much essential for our human body. Now, last but not least, I can't say the last function of the liver, but the one more important function of liver is conversion of harmful ammonia to urea takes place in the liver. You have to remember this. Conversion of ammonia to urea takes place in ammonia to urea takes place in the liver only. Hope you have understood about the liver. These are the vital functions of the liver. So we cannot neglect our liver. We have to take care of the liver. So my dear students, till here let's wind up this session. Next class, let's study about how the water absorption takes place in the large intestine. Let's study about dental decays and how to take care of our tooth. Okay, along with respiration in humans, let's study in the next class. Till that, stay home, stay safe, of course, study science.